Welcome to Don Carinderia series. A few months ago, I shared with you my pork shumai recipe, but today we're gonna cook pork and shrimp shumai. I guarantee this one is a whole lot better. Let's start cooking! First ingredient that we need is the carrot. After peeling, cut it up into small cubes. I think the French call this brunoise. To my chef friends, please correct me if I'm wrong. By the way, if your kids don't eat veggies or anyone in your family doesn't like them, this is a good way to introduce veggies to them. I particularly don't like carrots. I don't mind if it's in a shumai. This is the first ingredient that is different from the one that I did before. This recipe calls for jicama. We need to peel one medium jicama. I only used one half of it. The rest you can eat as snacks. It's not jicama, but jicama. Same cut as the carrots, brunoise. Dice one medium onion. As you can see from the video, I'm using the red variety, but if you have the white one or the yellow one, you can always use it. In this recipe, we're adding shrimp. Peel, devein, and chop them. Most restaurants, they combine pork and shrimp in their dumplings. I think it's a good combination. So that's why we're doing it here as well. It is time to assemble the cast. In a medium bowl, place your ground pork. Add your minced shrimp. Next, we'll add our carrots. This is the advantage of mise en place. As you can see, we're just dumping everything into the bowl. Next, we're gonna add our jicama. Next, we're gonna add our onions. To add more flavor, I'm adding green onions as well. We'll be seasoning our shumai next. I'm adding brown sugar now. We will also add a few drops of sesame seed oil. Then we'll add in some oyster sauce. To bind everything together, we need 1 large egg. Don't forget these two, salt and pepper. If you grew up in the 90s, you will recognize this song by Salt and Pepper. Let's talk about sex, baby. Let's talk about you and me. Let's talk about all the good things and the bad things that may be. It's time to mix everything together. A spatula works well here, but you can always use your hands. Wash your hands with Centella hand soap. The link to the Centella website is in the description. Get yourself one today. Just to give you an idea, this is how it looks like when it's well mixed. After mixing, it's time to wrap our shumai. Get a wrapper and wet the edges. I buy this circular wrapper because I find it easier to use than the square version. Place a spoonful of shumai at the center. Then pinch the edges to create a container. Don't forget to flatten the bottom by tapping it several times. Follow the same procedure for the rest of your shumai. One thing nice about shumai is that you can make as many as you want and then you can freeze the rest of it. It's my emergency food. Lightly oil your steamer. Please support my family and friends' YouTube channels, Angela Balan, Sherilyn Vlogs, Team Padilla TV, Cooking with Anadi, and Donnie Ray Cabral Official. Arrange your shumai on your steamer. Cook your shumai for 20 to 30 minutes. While waiting for our shumai to cook, let's prepare our dipping sauce. I forgot where I bought this, but this is a lifesaver. This is Good Sense Real Calamansi Extract. Add some soy sauce. For that kick, we'll add this kimchi chow style chili oil. If you love toasted garlic as toppings for your shumai, this is a good time to do that. Shumai and ramen are the perfect combination. Is there any food you like eating shumai with? After 20 or so minutes, please check your shumai if it's already cooked. Enjoy your perfectly splendid pork and shrimp shumai. I guarantee you'll love this recipe. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.